Toshiba Machine provides solutions from upstream to downstream in the process of plastic molding. Plastics are indispensable materials. Plastic is everywhere at our fingertips. Please observe how Toshiba Machine plays an integral part in forming plastic products. Plastic raw materials are mainly made from petroleum. Materials are melted and kneaded in an extruder, and processed into resin pellets. Toshiba Machine offers high value-added twin screw extruder. Mold used for injection molding is produced by cutting metal material with a machine tool. Toshiba Machine contributes to productivity improvement with a 5-axis head machining center, making it possible to process complex shapes of molds. With Toshiba Machine's high-precision machine, precision metal molds for optical use can be machined with no metal mold polishing. Significant process consolidation can be realized. Once the mold is set in the injection molding machine and the resin pellets are loaded, it is a process of injection molding. Toshiba Machine offers a wide range of injection molding machines from small to super large. Industrial robots of Toshiba Machine feature a lineup of SCARA type and vertical articulated type, and can be transported and assembled. It is possible to provide a compact and highly efficient production system by system engineering with an injection molding machine, a robot and a decorative system. Toshiba Machine is one of the few manufacturers in the world which can provide solutions throughout the injection molding process from upstream to downstream. As a comprehensive machine maker, we will contribute to manufacturing by offering products which exceed customer expectations on a one-stop basis.